No, hey, no, no.
Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. So I adored Janelle Monáe's PYNK video, and I especially loved the super cute space buns she rocked throughout. So here is my attempt at that style. I'm just parting my hair into 2 even sections to the best of my ability, and I'm using castor oil and olive oil mixed together to oil my scalp and to add some shine to my hair. Once I have smoothed that in and combed that through, I am adding some Eco Styler gel and brushing that in to lay it all down. I aimed to have the space buns parallel to my ear, and I pulled them super tight here, so I would not recommend that. Definitely give yourself some breathing room to save your edges. I then braided each ponytail down and bunned it using a bobby pin. Now, I don't know if this is more than 1 pack of Marley hair because I just had it lying around, but for each section I used 9 pieces, and you want to make sure that about 2 or 3 pieces are a bit longer than the whole section to make it a bit easier to wrap it around the bun. I found that I don't need bobby pins just for this section. I can just suck it in, and because of the texture of the hair, it'll stay in place. Now for the pieces of PYNK, I went to Michael's and I got this pom-pom garland for about $3 or $4. I'm just cutting off each pom-pom, attaching a bobby pin to the piece hanging out, and pinning it into my bun. Finally, I am laying my edges down with Eco Styler gel, putting on my scarf for a few minutes, and here is the final look. I love it. I think it is so cute. I wish I was going to Curl Fest this summer because I feel like this would be the perfect look for that. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for all of your lovely comments, and subscribe if you're not already in the Hold Me Like family. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.